What's up? I'm John Vaughn, the founder and CEO of Tier 5, who created the software MeFn EVan. Welcome to the MeFn EVan training series, where I'm going to show you how to use MeFn EVan and everything you need to know about it. So we're just going to jump right in. First off, how do you install the MeFn EVan software? It's really easy. You're just going to go to Google, and you're just going to type in MeFn EVan, okay? M-E-F-N, EVan, MeFn EVan. You're just going to type that in, and you'll see the very first thing that shows up is MeFn EVan in the Chrome store. You're just going to click on that, and probably after you signed up for the software, you probably even got an email that has a link here. So you're just going to click on that link, or you're going to do the Google search. You're just going to click this button that says Add to Chrome, and then you're going to click this button that says Add Extension. Now this is going to actually get it added to Chrome. You can see that it's actually been added to Chrome right up here. You can see, and what I like to do whenever I install an extension, if I'm going to be using it often, I like to just click on this little extension icon that you see, like my mouse. I can't point that high, and if I get up, I have green on my pants, so like half of my pants would disappear. But I like to click this button right there, okay, that little button right there, and then I just like to pin this to my browser so that it's easy for me to access it. Okay. So I've went ahead and installed the extension. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to click on it, and we're going to log in with the account that we have. Okay? Now if you don't yet have an account on the software, then you can just click on this link that you see right over here. You can just click on this link, and it will take you to a page where you can go in and actually get your account on the software. Okay? So that's how you install it, and in the next few videos I'm going to show you how to get started and how to do everything with the actual software and how to get it set up to nurture your leads while you sleep and to close sales while you're out playing volleyball or scuba diving or whatever it is you like to do.